Ports are the growth engine of the nation. India has a coastline of about 7,517 kilometers. Around 95% of India's trading is done through maritime transport. To make the optimum use of India's long coastline, the Government of India has embarked on the ambitious Sagarmala program to promote port-led development in the country. The Indian Port, Rail and Ropeway Corporation Limited, IPRCL, is a first-of-its-kind joint venture company between 11 major ports and Rail Vikas Nigam Limited under the Ministry of Shipping. Incorporated with a vision to emerge as an efficient rail infrastructure service provider company with the best global project management, operations, and maintenance practices to bring down the unit logistic cost to the best in the world.
देश को 7,500 किलोमीटर समुद्र तट मिला है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पोर्ट लेड डेवलपमेंट के लिए बात कही थी और मेक इन इंडिया के लिए भी बात कही थी। उसको चरितार्थ करने के लिए पोर्ट में इंटरनल रेल कनेक्टिविटी को सुनिश्चित करने के लिए और कार्गो इवैक्यूएशन बहुत स्पीड से हो सके, इसलिए इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का गठन किया गया। इंडियन पोर्ट रेल एंड रोपवे कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड ने उसके लिए एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण काम किया है। लास्ट 3 साल में 5,000 करोड़ का प्रोजेक्ट रन कर रहे हैं। इस कॉर्पोरेशन के माध्यम से पोर्ट में पोर्ट लेड डेवलपमेंट सुनिश्चित हो रहा है। इस कॉर्पोरेशन के माध्यम से रेल कनेक्टिविटी इंटरलैंड और रेल कनेक्टिविटी इंटरपोर्ट में डेवलप हो रही है। इस पोर्ट के माध्यम से हाईटेक रोपवे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर भी बनाया जा रहा है। इस दृष्टि से इस कॉर्पोरेशन का एक महत्व है।
IPRCL has the core competence in designing, developing, constructing, operating and maintaining an effective, efficient and competitive rail evacuation system to ports by creating last-mile connectivity, which reduces the unit cost of transport to the port users. Modernization of rail infrastructure of ports and managing the internal port railway system. Value-added services such as preparation of siding agreements, land management system and various studies including rationalization of port rail system and making business plans for each port with last-mile connectivity on both rail and road. IPRCL ensures quick evacuation of cargo and has undertaken various port rail development works including replacement of old railway infrastructure with modern railway system, construction of additional handling lines with in-motion way bridge, construction of heavy-duty loading and unloading platforms, construction of dry ports providing rail connectivity to the ports, transaction advisory for estate management to ports and doubling of existing single rail line connecting ports, etc. Leveraging latest drone and DGPS-based survey technologies with web-based application, Kolkata Port Trust is being facilitated for better management and gainful monetization of their estate. Mandated to take up multimodal transportation infrastructure projects including ropeways, IPRCL has built up competence and capacity to offer various services like preparation of feasibility report, DPR, bid process management and PMC for ropeways projects, and is presently dealing with important ropeway projects like Haji Bandar Elephanta Ropeway in Mumbai, 2 ropeway projects in the state of Manipur, and Kanyakumari Ropeway project, etc. With the commitment to use state-of-the-art technology in not only the infrastructure construction but in overall management of projects through its life cycle, IPRCL has leveraged latest technology to monitor and control the progress of various projects. Spread across the country on real-time basis, special web-based application is extensively used.
IPRCL, Indian Port Rail and Ropeway Corporation Limited is mandated to provide efficient rail evacuation systems to major and non-major ports by enhancing last mile connectivity and modernizing internal rail infrastructure. IPRCL will also add value to rail operations and maintenance in ports. This will improve cargo handling efficiency of ports substantially. IPRCL has also added a new vertical of ropeways from the year 2017-18. At IPRCL, we are committed to deliver projects within time and cost by utilizing modern project management tools.
The financial profile of the company is characterized by healthy profitability and a comfortable liquidity position. The incremental business model during the initial 3 fiscal years ended March 31, 2018 contributed significantly to the financial strength. And profit after tax.
यह कॉरपोरेशन सागरमाला योजना को बेहतर इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए एक महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका अदा करेगा और मेक इन इंडिया और पोर्ट लेड डेवलपमेंट को बढ़ावा देने के लिए भी इस कॉरपोरेशन की महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका होगी।
IPRCL, providing seamless connectivity.